Before driving. Introduction to Instrumentation 4. Controls and features 16. Seating and safety restraints 71. Starting and driving. Starting 97. Driving 103. Roadside emergencies 133. Servicing. Maintenance and care 152. Capacities and specifications 200. Reporting safety defects 209. Index 210. All rights reserved. Reproduction by any means, electronic or mechanical, including photocopying, recording or by any information storage and retrieval system or translation in whole or part is not permitted without written authorization from Ford Motor Company. Copyright R 1998 Ford Motor Company. Contents. 1. Icons. Indicates a safety alert. Read the following section on warnings. Indicates vehicle information related to recycling and other environmental concerns will follow. Correct vehicle usage and the authorized disposal of waste. Cleaning and lubrication materials are significant steps towards protecting the environment. Indicates a message regarding child safety restraints. Refer to seating and safety restraints for more information. Indicates that this owner guide contains information on this subject. Please refer to the index to locate the appropriate section which will provide you more information. Warnings. Warnings provide information which may reduce the risk of personal injury and prevent possible damage to others, your vehicle, and its equipment. Braking in your vehicle. There are no particular braking-in rules for your vehicle. During the first 1600 kilometers, 1000 miles, of driving, vary speeds frequently. This is necessary to give the moving parts a chance to brake in. If possible, you should avoid full use of the brakes for the first 1600 kilometers. 1000 miles. Introduction. 2. Information about this guide. The information found in this guide was in effect at the time of printing. Ford may change the contents without notice and without incurring obligation. Special notices. Notice to owners of utility-type vehicles. Before you drive your vehicle, please read this owner's guide carefully. Your vehicle is not a passenger car. As with other vehicles of this type, failure to operate this vehicle correctly may result in loss of control or an accident. Be sure to read Driving Off-Road in the driving chapter as well as the four-wheeling supplement included with 4WD and utility-type vehicles. Using your vehicle as a snowplow. Do not use this vehicle for snow plowing. Using your vehicle as an ambulance. Do not use this vehicle as an ambulance. Your vehicle is not equipped with the Ford Ambulance Preparation Package. Electric vehicles. For information on operating your electric vehicle, also refer to the Electric Vehicle Owner's Guide Supplement. Introduction. 3. Off. Set. ACC. Off coast. On. ABS. Check. Engine. FHHH. EL. Speed. Cont. O/D. Off. PRND 21. L. 10 miles per hour. 20. 50. 60 70. 30. 40. 80. 90. km/h. 000. 110. 100. 120. 40 0000000. 60. 80 100. 120. 140. 160. 20 180. Door. Ajar. And LTFUEL door. Brake theft. headlamp, control, PG16, instrument cluster, PG6, instrument panel, dimmer switch, PG17, speed control asterisk, PG56, driver